Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we work on the beginning sounds in words. So I'm going to show you some animals. I want you to listen carefully to the first sound the animal starts with. Okay, so here we go. Our first animal is a dinosaur. Okay, say the word with me, dinosaur. Pay attention to the first sound, dinosaur. One more time, dinosaur. What sound does dinosaur start with? I hope you said da, da, da for dinosaur. Okay. Our next animal is a walrus. Walrus. So say the word with me. Walrus. Pay attention to that first sound. Walrus. One more time. Walrus. What sound does walrus start with? I hope you said wah, wah, wah for walrus. Now we have an ant. Ant. So say the word with me. Ant. One more time. Ant. Oh, once again. Ant. What sound does ant start with? I hope you said ah, ah, ah for ant. Our next word is lion. Lion. So say it with me. Lion. Again. Lion. One more time. Lion. What sound does it start with? Did you say l for lion? Okay. Now we have a, hold on, grasshopper. Okay, grasshopper. So say the word with me. Grasshopper. Pay a lot of attention to the beginning of it. Grasshopper. One more time. Grasshopper. What sound does it start with? Did you say g, g, g for grasshopper? And our next animal is a, whoops, I almost dropped him. Rooster. Rooster. Okay, so say rooster with me. Rooster. Again, rooster. One more time. Rooster. And what sound does he start with? For rooster. And now we have a hippopotamus. We can say hippo for short. Hippo. Okay, here we go. Hippo. Again, hippo. One more time. Hippo. What sound does hippo start with? I hope you said for hippo. And this is our last animal for today. We have a crab. Crab. Okay, so say it with me. Crab. Again, crab. Once more, crab. What sound does it start with? I hope you said k, k, k for crab. All right, good job. See you next time.